Today, our viewer has asked, can a person have too much balsamic vinegar? They say they drizzle it on nearly everything.
What a wonderful question. And in recent years, I too have become a big fan of balsamic vinegars. They're really wonderful, the various flavors and that lovely texture and how it clings to the vegetables. It's a really wonderful condiment. And as Dr. Greger and others have been showing us, it has remarkable physiologic effects in the body. It keeps blood sugars from going too high. It keeps insulin levels from going too high. I mean, noticeably so, where if you eat a white potato with or without balsamic vinegar, you can see the difference between how high the blood sugar goes, how high the triglyceride levels go, how high the insulin level goes. It's really a pharmacologically beneficial substance, but it tastes great. So the question is, can you consume too much of it? And the answer in general is no. How much do you really use? A tablespoon, 2 tablespoons? It gets to be a lot of vinegar. Now, I'm not saying that people should treat it like a medicine and get a big bottle of balsamic vinegar and chug-a-lug it down. That is not the proper use of it. But it turns out that, again, 2, 3 tablespoons, as much as most people use on their greens and their veggies, but even twice that, even 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons. And after a while, it becomes too much vinegar just for your taste. But as far as adverse physiological effects, no, there really doesn't seem to be any. So the answer is no, you can't use too much balsamic vinegar, but don't use too much balsamic vinegar. I mean, keep the food appetizing, but it's a gift from the earth and from the vinegar makers, and we should take advantage. It's delicious and it's helpful, so use it liberally.
Absolutely. And if I'm not mistaken, I think that it can be a good substitute for salt for some people that are trying to cut salt out.
Absolutely. As a recovering saltaholic, I can just say amen and thank you for balsamic vinegar. It's really made it much easier for me between the balsamic vinegar and the lemon juice. I've really pretty much stopped using salt all the way around. And so I'm grateful for that alone. So thanks for bringing that point out. It's very important. Hi, everyone. Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.